Ready to see the gadgets everyone's talking about? These viral TikTok smart home finds are turning ordinary spaces into high-tech havens, making daily life smoother, smarter, and way more fun. From lighting to cleaning to clever automation, they're the upgrades you didn't know you needed until now. All products are linked in the description below. These rechargeable LED puck lights brighten up closets, cabinets, and counters without any wiring. They feature motion sensing for hands-free use, group control via remote, and 2 color temperatures, warm or cool. Dimmable from 5 to 100% with auto-off timers, they mount easily with magnets or adhesive discs and pop off for handheld use. The built-in battery lasts up to 92 hours per charge, saving you from constantly replacing AA batteries. Drying your hair doesn't have to mean sore arms or tired shoulders. This adjustable stand holds your blow dryer for you, letting you style hands-free. The height adjusts from 26 to 74 inches, so it works whether you're standing or sitting. Its sturdy tripod base keeps it steady, and the universal clip fits most dryers. Folds down for easy storage or travel, making it great for home or salon use. Step out of the shower and onto pure comfort. This super absorbent bath mat soaks up water in seconds, leaving your floor dry and safe. The stain-resistant surface wipes clean with ease, and it dries so quickly it's ready for the next use in minutes. A non-slip rubber backing keeps it firmly in place, even on wet floors. Thin, durable, and designed to last, without the bulk of traditional rugs. Messy hands? No problem. This touchless paper towel dispenser gives you a sheet with just a wave, so you don't spread spills or germs. It works with most standard paper towel rolls, and even retracts unused sheets to keep them clean and dry. Loading a new roll is quick and simple, runs on batteries or plugs into the wall, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or workshops. Hot meals anywhere you go? Yes, please. This portable electric lunchbox warms up soups, pastas, or leftovers right at your desk, in your car, or on the road. The spill-proof lid keeps everything secure, while the detachable cord makes it easy to pack away. Its compact size is perfect for personal portions. Cleanup is simple too. Just pop the container and lid in the dishwasher. Washing up just got a little cuter. This bear-shaped soap holder has a rolling base that keeps your bar dry and lasting longer by letting water drain away. Its sturdy, eco-friendly plastic is easy to rinse clean and perfect for everyday use. The non-slip base keeps it steady on any surface. Compact and fun, it's a playful way to keep sinks and showers neat. If your caps are piling up, here's a simple way to keep them in order. This wall-mounted organizer holds up to 20 hats without stacking them, so you can grab anyone instantly. 2 display options let you show them front-facing or hang them vertically for quick access. Install with strong adhesive or screws, depending on your space. Perfect for walls, closets, or behind doors. When seconds matter, you need something fast and simple. This choking rescue device uses strong suction to help clear an airway in just one press. It comes with 3 mask sizes to fit both kids and adults, creating a secure seal for effective results. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to keep at home or take on the go. A smart safety backup for those just-in-case moments. A loose hem or small tear doesn't have to wait for a full sewing setup. This handheld sewing machine lets you stitch clothes, curtains, or fabric on the spot. Lightweight and compact, it slips easily into a drawer or travel bag. Runs on batteries or a DC adapter, so you can use it anywhere. Perfect for quick fixes, DIY projects, or teaching kids the basics of sewing. Breathe easier every day with cleaner, fresher air around you. This powerful purifier tackles dust, pollen, pet hair, and odors in spaces up to 1,000 square feet. Its 3-in-1 filter traps 99.97% of tiny particles, even ones you can't see. At night, sleep mode keeps it running at a whisper quiet level so you rest peacefully. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere you want the air to feel light and fresh. Keeping pet food fresh just got a whole lot easier. This collapsible container adjusts in size so you can store a little or a lot without wasting space. The airtight locking lid and silicone seal keep out pests, moisture, and odors. Clear top lets you check levels at a glance, and rolling wheels make it easy to move even when full. Great for pet food, rice, flour, or other dry goods. Cracking sunflower seeds one by one can be a slow snack game. This clever machine does it for you automatically. Just pour them in, and it quickly separates the shells from the kernels while sorting out any bad seeds. Compact and portable, it's perfect for movie nights, game days, or road trips. No more sore fingertips, just effortless snacking with every batch. Road trips, potlucks, or holiday gatherings, keeping desserts safe during travel can be tricky. This portable pie and cake container makes it easy, with an adjustable shelf that fits multiple layers or smaller treats. The secure lid and lightweight build keep everything fresh and intact, while its BPA-free design means it's safe for your favorite bakes. Perfect for pies, cakes, and pastries you want to arrive in one beautiful piece. Imagine turning on your faucet and instantly knowing if the water's hot, warm, or cold, thanks to the built-in LED temperature indicator. This sleek, pull-out design gives you 360 degrees flexibility for rinsing, filling, or cleaning awkward spots. The smooth single-handle control makes temperature adjustments effortless, while its durable metal construction keeps it performing for years. Open cans with zero strain? Just press a button and let this #1 best-selling electric opener do the work. Its side-cutting blade leaves smooth, safe edges, making it ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who loves convenience. Cordless and battery-powered, it's perfect for home, travel, or camping. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to store, it's a thoughtful gift that makes everyday cooking faster and safer. Clean air, extra features, and a modern look, all in one table. This 4-in-1 purifier doubles as a coffee table, ambient light, and wireless charger, while quietly refreshing the air in large spaces. A smart odor sensor boosts power when it detects smells, clearing pet odors, smoke, and cooking scents fast. The 360-degree intake pulls in dust and pet hair from every angle. Works with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google for effortless control. Measure, mark, and level with precision in one sleek tool. This digital inclinometer features dual red light markers for accurate horizontal and vertical alignment, plus a double-sided LED screen for easy reading from any angle. Lightweight and portable, it handles 360-degree angle measurements and offers both absolute and relative modes. Ideal for stairs, ceilings, and tricky corners, it charges via USB-C, so you're never out of power on the job. Meet the vacuum that mops, dries, and cleans itself. This cordless wet-dry cleaner tackles spills, dust, and debris in one go, right up to the edges and deep into corners. A built-in sensor adjusts suction based on the mess, saving power and boosting performance. When you're done, it washes its own brush and dries it with hot air in just an hour. Long runtime means you can clean more, recharge less. Cool down and brighten up any room in one smart move. This low-profile ceiling fan fits standard light sockets, so installation is quick and tool-free. The remote lets you adjust fan speed, set timers, and switch between warm, neutral, or cool lighting. Ultra-quiet blades keep air moving without noise, and the foldable design works even in tight spaces. Perfect for bedrooms, patios, or anywhere you want comfort and style in one. Painting just got a whole lot easier. This smart roller stores paint right inside the handle, so there's no messy tray to deal with. One fill covers up to 70 square feet, and the extended reach means you can tackle tall walls and ceilings without a ladder. Just squeeze the trigger to feed paint directly to the roller. When you're done, cleanup is quick and simple. Turn any corner of your home into a personal spa. This portable bathtub heats water to your perfect temperature and keeps it warm with intelligent, constant circulation. A built-in filter purifies the water as you soak, keeping it fresh and clean. It folds down in seconds to save space and set up again just as fast. The hood cover traps steam, making every bath feel like a full-body retreat. Better water is just a button away. This electric filter pitcher dispenses fresh, alkaline water instantly with a single touch. No pouring, no waiting. Its advanced filter removes over 30 common contaminants, improving taste while keeping beneficial minerals. One charge lasts up to a month, so it's always ready when you are. Compact yet holding up to 15 cups. It's perfect for home, office, or even camping trips. Forget fumbling with keys. Your front door just got an upgrade. This smart lock lets you unlock with a tap, a code, or even your voice when paired with a compatible hub. It installs right over your existing deadbolt in minutes, so no drilling or hardware headaches. Auto lock keeps your home secure the moment you leave, and real-time notifications let you know if it's locked or not. Taking out the trash just got smarter. This touchless sensor opens automatically when you wave your hand, so you never have to touch the lid. The stainless steel finish resists fingerprints, keeping it looking spotless every day. Its clever design gives you 25% more room for trash, meaning fewer bag changes. Runs on simple AA batteries that can last up to 8 months, making it hassle-free and eco-friendly.